As humanity sets its sights on the Moon, Mars, and beyond, the greatest challenge isn't just getting there, it's staying there. In the vacuum of space, the future of survival may not be found in complex machinery, but in the silent, soilless growth of a hydroponic leaf. Hydroponic farming in microgravity represents one of the most promising strategies for sustaining long-duration human presence in space. In the absence of gravity, traditional soil-based agriculture becomes highly impractical, as water distribution, root anchoring, and nutrient transport rely heavily on gravitational forces. Hydroponics, which replaces soil with nutrient-rich water solutions, offers a controlled and efficient alternative that can function in orbit or deep space habitats. By precisely delivering water, minerals, and oxygen directly to plant roots, hydroponic systems reduce waste, conserve resources, and allow crops to grow in enclosed, artificial environments such as space stations or planetary habitats. In microgravity, fluids behave very differently than on Earth. Without gravity pulling liquids downward, water tends to form floating spheres and cling to surfaces due to surface tension. This presents both challenges and opportunities for hydroponic systems. Engineers must design specialized delivery mechanisms that use capillary action, porous materials, and controlled airflow to ensure that plant roots receive consistent hydration without becoming waterlogged. Excess water around roots can prevent oxygen exchange, leading to root rot, while insufficient moisture can quickly stress plants. Carefully balanced systems using wicking structures and air circulation help maintain stable root zone conditions. Plant roots themselves respond differently in microgravity. On Earth, roots grow downward in response to gravity through a process known as gravitropism. In space, without gravitational cues, roots rely more heavily on light, moisture gradients, and internal hormonal signaling to orient their growth. Experiments conducted aboard the International Space Station have demonstrated that plants can adapt to these conditions, though root architecture may differ from terrestrial patterns. Understanding how plants regulate growth direction in microgravity is essential for optimizing hydroponic layouts and maximizing yield. Hydroponic systems also allow for precise environmental control, which is critical in closed space habitats. Temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide levels, and light spectra can all be regulated to create optimal growth conditions. LED lighting systems are particularly important, as they provide energy-efficient illumination with tunable wavelengths. By adjusting red and blue light ratios, scientists can influence plant morphology, flowering time, and nutritional content. Such control is invaluable in microgravity environments where energy efficiency and compact design are essential. Nutrient management is another central aspect of hydroponic farming in space. In terrestrial systems, excess nutrients can drain away into soil or groundwater, but in space every drop must be recycled. Closed-loop hydroponic systems filter and reuse water, minimizing loss and reducing the need for resupply missions. Sensors continuously monitor pH, electrical conductivity, and nutrient concentrations, allowing automated systems to adjust chemical balances in real time. This level of precision reduces waste and ensures consistent plant health, which is crucial when crops may serve as a primary food source for astronauts. Beyond food production, hydroponic farming contributes to life support systems through oxygen generation and carbon dioxide absorption. Plants naturally convert carbon dioxide into oxygen through photosynthesis, helping maintain breathable air within spacecraft. They also release moisture into the air through transpiration, which can be captured and purified as part of water recycling systems. In this way, hydroponic farms function as biological components of regenerative life support, reducing reliance on purely mechanical systems. Psychological benefits are equally significant. Extended missions in isolated and confined environments can affect crew morale and mental health. The presence of living plants provides sensory stimulation, visual relief, and a connection to Earth. Tending crops can create a sense of routine and responsibility, improving overall well-being. Studies have shown that astronauts often value plant growth experiments not only for scientific reasons but also for the emotional comfort they provide. Crop selection for microgravity hydroponics focuses on fast-growing, nutrient-dense plants that thrive in compact spaces. Leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and kale are common candidates because they require relatively short growth cycles and minimal processing. Researchers are also exploring dwarf varieties of tomatoes, peppers, and even grains to diversify diets. Breeding or genetically optimizing plants for microgravity resilience may further enhance productivity, ensuring stable harvests during long-duration missions to the Moon or Mars. Microgravity hydroponics also drives innovation in agricultural technology on Earth. Techniques developed for space, such as precision nutrient dosing, advanced LED lighting, and compact vertical farming structures, are being adapted for urban agriculture and regions with limited arable land. The closed-loop efficiency required in space encourages sustainable practices that reduce water use and chemical runoff. As climate change and population growth challenge terrestrial food systems, insights from microgravity farming could support more resilient agricultural methods. Radiation exposure presents another consideration in space-based agriculture. Outside Earth's protective magnetosphere, higher radiation levels can affect plant DNA and growth patterns. Hydroponic systems in deep space habitats may need shielding or protective materials to mitigate these effects. Studying plant responses to radiation not only informs spacecraft design but also enhances understanding of plant stress tolerance more broadly. Automation and robotics are integral to the scalability of hydroponic farming in microgravity. Crew time is limited, so planting, monitoring, and harvesting processes must be highly efficient. Robotic arms, automated nutrient delivery, and AI-driven growth monitoring systems can manage routine tasks, reducing labor demands. Machine vision systems can detect early signs of nutrient deficiencies or disease, enabling rapid intervention before crops are compromised. The potential of hydroponic farming in microgravity extends beyond low Earth orbit. Future lunar bases and Mars habitats may combine hydroponics with other controlled environment agriculture techniques to create hybrid systems adapted to partial gravity. Lessons learned in microgravity provide foundational knowledge for these environments, where gravity is weaker but still present. By mastering hydroponics in orbit, space agencies lay the groundwork for sustainable extraterrestrial agriculture. Resource efficiency remains the defining advantage of hydroponics in space. Water is heavy and costly to transport, so maximizing recycling efficiency is essential. Hydroponic systems typically use far less water than traditional agriculture, sometimes reducing consumption by up to 90%. This conservation is vital for missions where resupply is infrequent or impossible. Microbial management is also crucial in closed hydroponic systems. Beneficial microbes can support plant growth, but harmful pathogens must be carefully controlled to prevent crop loss. Sterile starting materials, filtration systems, and regular monitoring help maintain healthy root environments. Balancing microbial ecosystems without soil requires detailed understanding of plant microbe interactions under microgravity conditions. The potential of hydroponic farming in microgravity ultimately lies in its integration with broader habitat systems. When combined with water recycling, waste processing, and atmospheric management technologies, hydroponic farms become central components of self-sustaining space settlements. They transform biological processes into practical engineering solutions, bridging the gap between life sciences and aerospace technology. By refining these systems through ongoing research and experimentation, humanity moves closer to achieving long-term habitation beyond Earth, supported by efficient, adaptable, and resilient agricultural practices.